छल्ला की लबदा फिरे यारों दा घर केड़ा लोका तो पुछदा फिरे। सिंगिंग है बिकॉज आजकल सिंगर्स की चल रही है, चांदी हो रही है. दैट्स आल्सो शिफ्ट दैट आई हैव सीन. People are going to the concerts more than the theater.
Okay, super. So, which actress you would love to romance on screen? It could be from the 90s, she could be from the current times.
मैं young actress लूंगा, Janvi Kapoor. I really want to work with her. I can match with her if I get a film opposite her. It's just a
Ooh,
feeling. Yeah.
we would love to see you both.
Yeah.
Cast me too. Also, what's
You
your
can play the
dream
girl.
role like?
You can play the girl who comes into our lives and creates a havoc. Yeah.
Oh, big role, big role. I would
Yeah.
love to do that or to
Second
create all the
lead, yeah.
drama.
Second lead. Fight with Janvi. Cat fight.
Yes, only on screen.
On screen. Yeah. Hmm.
So,
Yeah.
what's the one role you'd always wanted to play? ऐसा कोई visualize किया
Hmm.
होगा कि यार ये role मुझे आज नहीं तो कल
Hmm.
करना ही करना है.
Okay, like something that I've seen from the past. Yeah.
Could be, or maybe from your own imagination, a very fresh character.
यार ऐसे तो मेरे पास दिमाग में बहुत कैरेक्टर्स हैं, बट लाइक शाहरुख एंड अमिताभ के बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स हैं, बट आई वुड लव टू प्ले शाहरुख फ्रॉम कभी हाँ कभी ना. आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड दिस एंड आई स्टिल डू दैट. अगर कभी कभी हाँ कभी ना की रीमेक बनती है, सो आई वुड लव टू प्ले सुनील फ्रॉम दैट फिल्म. वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट फिल्म, वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट शाहरुख कैरेक्टर्स. अदरवाइज शाहरुख के और भी बहुत हैं. जोश का शाहरुख आई वुड लव टू प्ले. एंड देन देयर इज दिल तो पागल है, देयर इज डीडीएलजे, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ शाहरुख कैरेक्टर्स आई फील I would do justice to, I feel. But also big shoes to step in. Yeah. Like how we all saw with Dawn, what happened. Sorry, I talk a lot. But with Dawn, how it happened with Ranveer Singh. Even though Ranveer is one of my most favorite actors. But again, वही शाहरुख के शूज में step in करना थोड़ा टफ होता है. Like मैं खुद ही बोल रहा हूँ, मैं खुद ही
काफी
करना.
tough होता है, exactly. And we are yet to see that what kind of response he's going to get. But Ranveer Singh has made his mark in the industry. I mean, we have seen him
Too talented,
a
yeah.
lot
Too
of roles, but again the franchise, we get so connected with the franchise because part 1 में जो है फिर part 2 में भी वही आना चाहिए and उससे ज्यादा
talented.
आना चाहिए, so expectations और भी ज्यादा
Problem
बढ़
क्या
जाते
हुई that Shahrukh is still at his prime.
हैं.
Like
Yeah.
what Dawn when Amitabh Bachchan हो गया था. Like fortunately जो भी उस टाइम पे अमिताभ actually got done. KBC आ गई
Mhm.
थी, मोहब्बत आ गई थी. He stepped into a different set of role.
Yeah.
Shahrukh, as much as all these bigger actors should step into a different role, but Shahrukh is still going crazy. अभी किंग आने वाली है, पठान जवान तो सबने
Oh
देखी क्या.
god, crazy.
So
हाँ.
every time the Dawn 3 can easily be made with him. And this is actually the best time that Dawn 3 should be made with him. So those things actually I think must have kicked in and stepped in and played a big role in the audience's mind. Otherwise, to Ranveer Singh is fab. I think I'm
Yeah.
all in for the film. But by 5-6 years early हो गया थोड़ा, I think, because considering Shahrukh is doing great. But हाँ, to answer the question, कभी हाँ कभी ना and Josh, दोनों characters के Shahrukh. Max from Josh and Sunil from कभी हाँ कभी ना. I would love to play.
Super. So who has been your favorite co-star?
My favorite co-star. ज्यादा प्रोजेक्ट ऐसे इतने किए नहीं है मैंने, बट आई वुड स्टिल से टीके, तुषार. या
Tushar Kapoor. The
तुषार.
one thing you love about him.
वन थिंग दैट आई लव अबाउट हिम दैट ही इज सो हम्बल यार, एंड ही सो बात ज्यादा नहीं करते, अपने में रहते हैं. लाइक क्वाइट ऑपोजिट टू मी, व्हिच आई वुड वांट टू इनकलकेट एंड बी समडे. या
दिल्ली वाले काफी बातें करते हैं, चुप नहीं हो पाते हैं. आई नो, आई हैव द सेम इशू.
and he doesn't talk much. So yeah, I'm always in awe of people who are like still composed and calm and that
Did you
demeanor.
guys chat about his the comic timing and all these iconic scenes?
I've seen it myself. बात क्या करनी है, खुद ही देखा मैंने. Yeah, I think he's super with comedy. More than anything else, I would want to say he's the best with comedy, and that's why I think Dudakun Ki Raat also landed for him. Yeah. So yeah.
So ऐसी कौन सी चीज है शान की जो बाकियों को नहीं पता है? Hidden talent or any skill. Maybe you like to munch a lot.
या मैं खाता बहुत हूँ. या बट एक चीज जो लोगों को नहीं पता, मैं खाता भी बहुत हूँ और मैं मेहनत भी बहुत करता हूँ. लाइक द कार्डियो
ये सबको
एस्पेक्ट.
पता है, मेहनत का पता है.
किसको पता है, मुझे बताओ
गाते अच्छा हो तो अगर एक दो लाइंस हो जाए.
अच्छा गाने का भी. हाँ.
हाँ.
Okay, let's try my singing talent. What song
Ooh.
would you want to hear?
Any
एक मैं
your
बहुत अच्छा
current
गाता
favorite.
था. Okay. छल्ला की लबदा फिरे यारों दा घर केड़ा लोका तो पुछदा फिरे छल्ला हसदा फिरे छल्ला रोंदा फिरे छल्ला गली गली रुलदा फिरे छल्ले तू सबदा छल्ले तेरा कोई नहीं छल्ला गली गली रुलदा फिरे बाकी का मैं गाऊंगा जब हम मिलेंगे दिल्ली
My
में
God. It's,
हाउ वाज
I
इट
mean, you do sing. I think आप
नो नो
गाते रहते हो, ये फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं था.
नो नो ये गाना मैंने सच्ची में आज गाया 7-8 साल के बाद बहुत टाइम
Oh wow, super. That's
2017
amazing.
18 में लास्ट
You have
गाया
a
था
nice voice.
यार रियली
Hmm. You do.
चलो ठीक
The
चलो
emotions and all.
तो
Nice
पैसा
thing.
वसूल हुआ ऐसे हाँ
Okay, if not acting, actor नहीं होते, क्या होते? Plan
फ्रॉम द
B.
इंडस्ट्री और आउटसाइड द इंडस्ट्री हाँ
Industry में.
industry mein, I still have thoughts. I want to be a director someday. I want to be a producer someday. I would love to take up singing also if I can enhance my singing skills or get better at it.
Yeah.
So singing है because आजकल singers की चल रही है चांदी हो रही है. That's also a shift that I've seen. People are going to the concerts more than the theater. So I'm all in
Hmm.
for trying
True
singing
that.
as well. But it's just that अंदर से नहीं आ रहा. जिस दिन अंदर से आएगा, so I would want to take up singing as well. I'm somebody who's very moody. So actually, this is the answer to your previous question. Something that not a lot of people know. I'm very moody. My mood shifts in every 2 hours. Yeah, that's a problem that I'm always dealing with. Like अभी मेरे को जाना है, अभी मेरे को नहीं जाना है, अभी मेरे को ये करना है, अभी मेरे को नहीं करना है. So that's a very big
Skeptical.
problem. So singing का mood अभी तक बना नहीं है. When that day comes in, singing will be again on my list. But for now, direction and producing, yes, because I have some stories also in my mind since a very long time. But it's just that I don't feel I have the skill set of being a director or a producer. So again, अगर मैं थोड़ा past में जाऊँ, like I said, so after being an AD, I always thought
Hmm.
I'll be a director. But somehow people in my life who came in who told me that you should be an actor. So I got swayed into that, and then I was like, okay, बचपन से तो यही चाहता था, acting की हुई थी. So I got into that.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I thought I won't be a great actor. पता नहीं क्यों हमेशा लगता था I won't make it. I won't make it as an actor. So let me step into something else, be a director or a producer. But yeah, people that came in, very nice people have come into my life. They thought that I can be an actor, so I took this part. Otherwise, of course, producer, direction, whatever, singing will also be there as a dream.